Hi, so this is the verse video that goes along with Croy chapters 13 and 14. We're reading from Revelation chapter 5. We probably have been there before because it's a new passage to work from. This is the last book of the New Testament. It begins with an alpha because it's the Apocalypse of John in Greek. And you're looking for chapter 5, verse 11. If you need to pause the video and find it, that's fine, and then come back. Okay, I'll read and you read after me. I'll read in phrases. Kai Edon, Kai Ekusa, Phonein Angelon Polon, Kuklo Tu Thranu, Kai Ton Zoon, Kai Ton Presbyteron, Kai Ain, Ha Arithmos Auton, Moriades Moriadon, Kai Kiliades Kiliadon. Nice. We moved very quickly, but you're getting there. Great. You help me translate here. Kai Edon. This is from your vocab from chapter 14. It means, and I saw. So that's one of those stem changing, chapter 14, second aorist. You just have to know it. I saw. Kai Ekusa, and I heard. Now you've got a first aorist because you've got what was an alpha has been lengthened to an eta. That's what the epsilon does to it. And then the sa is the aorist form. So the really nice thing is that you've got a second aorist in the edon and a first aorist in the ekusa right side by side, so you can see them. So it says, I saw and I heard phonein. Go way back to the beginning. I heard a voice, angelon polon. Angelon is angels, and polon means many, so a voice of many angels. Kuklo means around, and then tu thronu. Even if you haven't had that word, you can hear the sound of it. Thron. Yeah, so throne. I heard the voice of many angels around the throne. Kai ton zoon, and they're the living creatures. So you can see the word life, zoe, like connected to this. Kai ton presbyteron, and the elders, the Presbyterians. Kai ein ha arithmos. Arithmos becomes our word arithmetic, so it's in the number auton of them. And the number of them was. Ein is the past tense of Amy. If you haven't gotten that yet, it ought to be in this chapter. So that's another thing to pay attention to of the many things you've got to do. So I heard the number of them was myriads, myriades, myriadon, myriads of myriads. Kai Kiliades, Kiliadon, and thousands of thousands. So go back to the beginning, read it one more time. Kai Edon, and I saw. Kai Ekusa, and I heard. Phonein Angelon Polon, the voice of the sound or a sound of many angels. Kuklo Tu Thranu, around the throne. Kai Ton Zoon, and the living creatures. Kai Ton Presbyteron, and the elders. Kai Ein Ha Arithmos Auton, and their number was. Myriades, myriadon, myriads of myriads, Kai Kiliades, Kiliadon, and thousands of thousands. You can do this. You're getting there. Look how far you've come. And then these aorist verbs are a little bit of a challenge, but they're super important because they're very, very common in the New Testament. So go for it, and you'll do great.